wo mu dada enti se kanea call offer nukwa so ha ho bebre because bibia wo mu 1 hour betima gina so aye adwuma pacho o ha ne sen fra no pay nani woni nkomo 0247 530432 0244 969075 and afi 0507 718921 a Narrow Light International Company odo ani kire mu asafo labor Kumasi hey asafo labor baby a Puma filling station one no a oni yen ebebo mpunimpu ho na wo so de waje de na bibia akoso kama na omo na aso ya sena ye de cyber security tip and pay ye de ba akase month we ye cyber security awareness month menua Samuel Adomako Kwame ewa ahoma so anopa ma meni ni nkomo ne hwe ne ono so adesua ye betima sua free ni ho menua Kwame bibia bokode e
bibia boko
yada yame ase pa na
there was so ye
yame oh yes yame adom ejina na so se Boris no ejina na so pa but na wo de fa hin de na yesua from cyber security.
Okay, so when come on you do cyber security awareness on ye you be share plan ye fast generate ye team for mobile money wallet I use. And no na me din komo say yen share enyoma ye di tudwa e wo social media ye e bi ne sen ye car number plate ye capture ye say enkoda ye picture ni mu yen ko picture ye wo ye Ghana card na voters ID ye den e wo picture ni mu adi ntina me kan say the don't say the ye you pina e ade ba ko na ye dey either say ye dey yeah date of birth ana year na ye wo ye na ye dey kin no obi wo hold the car number obi wo also so the last 4 digits a wo the phone number so ana yes adi inti ayadi aye trainer process any se BBC it me then it's inti almost try a repeat either wo number plate date of birth and our last 4 digits of a phone number no many access to mobile money it's your best friend obi biara use mobile money biara so the date of birth and I open or the car number plate and I open say or the ID card B number and I open your best friend is a summer making with unique pinner and they won't want to win baby out generate here then it's free now the ato and I'm sorry the way you do how say oh me wa me send the OPSika but me up on RAM account where you see careful is because all the information you have to get include your mobile money pin when you get it and that's all. So when I no pay you for your phone na be there check our cyber security tips so.
Nya hamisha party. Bebre ho they okay man bebre obi all the last 4 digits no of the telephone number no dey aye nti wo pese ubowura na account ni mu a simple
I easy cry
yeah
almost as you get say na no obi timi aye den aboyere
me am da say
yes me da say bra
yes ane Adomako no Akoma FM odo be cross school ma you know ha me sure say abre bi a wutie me eh na say ne about enokwasem say enema yesu nyina and pay attention to it na emwa me se de ebe me yapa ne sa ade a ubeti Akoma na sa ade no na bosumi ye tuufo ho no na sa ade no no obi de adiwu